Good morning kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good at home. So this is your TBL class, and what we are learning in our TBL class? Yes, we were learning about Raman and Navneet. Raman and Navneet at a zoo. Okay, before we continuing this topic, let's play a game. The game is about inside, outside, on and under. Now look at me. I am inside my house. Yes, I am inside my house. Now look at my hands. My hands are on the table. Yes, my hands are on the table. Now, can you see? There is a box. The box is under my hands. The box is under my hands. On means upar, under means niche. Likewise, now can you see? There is a box. This is a color box, and the colors are inside the box. Yes, inside means under. Colors are inside the box. Now I have one more box here. Can you see a big box here? And can you see a small box is also here? Now tell me, this box is inside the big box or outside the big box? Yes, right now this is outside from the big box. Outside means bahar. Now this is inside the box. This is inside. Inside means under, and outside means bahar. Okay, let's see what is next. Can you see? There is a pond. There is a pond full of water, and ducks are swimming in the water. So, ducks are inside the pond or outside? Yes, ducks are inside the pond. Okay, come on, let's see what is next. Okay, can you see a table here? Yes, and can you see two balls are here? Yes, one is on the table. This is purple color ball. This is on the table. Yes, one is green color ball. This is under the table. Now, purple color ball is on the table and green color ball is under the table. Right. Again, you can see the two boxes are here. One is on the table. Yes. And one box is under the table. Yes. On means upar. And under means niche. Yes. Now we all know what is inside, outside, on and under. Okay. Now continue with our lesson. Open your TBL book. Let me show you your TBL book. So this is your TBL book. Now let's open page number 53. Okay, this is page number 53. Raman and Navneet in the zoo. Right now we have played a game inside, outside, on and under. Right? Yes. Now you have to tell me which picture of this. This is a zoo, and Raman and Navneet are here. Raman and Navneet went to zoo, and they purchased an ice cream for a vendor, and he is standing where he is standing. Is he standing inside the zoo or outside the zoo? Yes, he is standing outside the zoo. We have to write here outside. OUTSIDE. S-I-D-E, outside. Yes, now look here. You can see some ducks are swimming in the pond. Now tell me, are they inside the pond or outside? Yes, they are inside the pond. So we will write inside here. I-N-S-I-D-E, inside. Okay, now turn on to next page. Can you see monkeys? Now tell me, monkeys are on the tree or under the tree? Yes, they are on the tree. So we will write O-N, on, on. Now look down. Navneet and Raman are sitting on a bench or under a bench? Tell me. Yes, they are sitting on a bench. Right. We will write O-N, on. Can you see a canteen behind them? Yes. Now tell me, are they inside the canteen or outside the canteen? Yes, they are sitting outside. So what we will write? We will write outside. O-U-T-S-I-D-E, outside. They are sitting outside the canteen. So this is all for today. We will meet in our next class. Till then, stay in, stay safe. Bye bye.